Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to fix 404 not found in Laravel. So if I type php artisan serve, and if I type here slash API slash task, I can see it says 404 not found. So how you can fix this? So if you have already defined the routes in api.php, still you are having problem, you can see the route is defined here, but still it is showing 404 not found. The problem is because you have not installed API. So you have to install API. So I will just copy this part and if I Ctrl C and type php artisan route list, I don't see my route list here. Once I copy this, I will just remove the api.php, delete. Now just click on new terminal and type php artisan install :API. Okay, now you can see the api.php file has been created after installing API. Now you should define routes. You must define and you must define the route. Make sure you define and the route. Then save all. and you can see now it is working.